All right, it's about 9 o'clock. This is actually where the storm is coming in from. Nothing really going on. Just kind of looking, kind of see the sky movement here. Someone's got an alarm going off. Not sure what that is. Can't be good. Maybe someone already started pillaging. Wow, yeah, it's moving fast. Let me try to catch this again. It is just moving fast. That's just creepy. Yeah, nothing really. Oh, look, debris. See it? Maybe I can submit this as a UFO video. So far, it's still pretty calm. 9 o'clock tonight. It's supposed to hit ground actually at 2 o'clock in the morning, so another 5 hours from now. And then I guess we'll see from there. But yeah, 9 o'clock, nothing going on. I'll update later.